Venu Vishwa sir, Pradnya ma'am, Nini Bhatia ma'am, co-founder of Tweet Foundation, Maya ma'am, and Rajeshri Trivedi ma'am. On this event, on behalf of Team Bravo, to facilitate learning through the skill development program, we are here to distribute the laptops donated by the Rotary Club of Bombay. I'd like to invite our guests to speak us a few words.
I won't talk much. So all our good wishes are with you. So please do well, and we will continue to support you all till the time you get skilled and be employable. We will personally help you all, and whenever you need any help from our side, Rotary Club of Bombay Airport,
Instagram to
Krishna, and the entire team will continue to help you. And God bless you all, and wish you all the success. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello. My name is Samar. I am standing to express my feedback regarding the class. When I was entered here very first time, I had low confidence, but I learned first class of English here. My confidence is 1 half. And there is very friendly environment for our trans community. And when I was when before I was doing my school life, there is very discrimination with me, and their environment is very good, and I learned a lot of them, like grammar, vocabulary. I use in their sentences, how to read a sentence, how to make a sentence, and I learned how to crack a presentation and how to do a interview and how to face anyone in English communication. And I'm very thankful to all of you for giving me this opportunity. For I learned RA project and money base and even my career grant. Thank you to all.
I'm Purvi Pancha. My pronouns are she and her. I'm an individual trans woman. First of all, thank you so much you all to give this opportunity to us, for me and my friends also. Actually, when we enter in school and colleges, before this college, enter this college, we are facing a lot of discrimination, bullying and all. Like लोग में ऐसे देखते हैं जैसे कोई एलियन है, जैसे ट्रांसमैन है, उनके बॉयकट होता है, तो लोग देखते हैं ये क्या चीज़ है। और ट्रांसमैन होती है वो बायबोन मैच होती है, लेकिन उनमें लड़कियों से नज़ाकत होती है, तो लोग हमें ऐसे देखते हैं अभी ये क्या चीज़ है। उसके अलावा बहुत सारी बुलिंग लोग फेस करते हैं। आफ्टर आई एंटर्ड इन दिस कॉलेज, आई डिडंट seen any bullying and discrimination. I can use any washroom I want to use. I can wear any dress I want to wear. And so यहाँ पे आकर मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा, स्टेज फियर से कैसे मैं अपने आप को, मतलब जैसे मैं यहाँ पे खड़े होकर बोल पा रही हूँ, तो वो सब मैंने पहले कभी नहीं किया। सो बहुत कुछ सीखा। So I just want to thank you and thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and I am a trans man. My pronouns are he and him. So we learned here many things as like how can we face interview and how can we build our confidence level. अगर मतलब पिछली बार लाइफ की बात करें तो वहाँ पर हम लोग स्कूल गए हैं, कॉलेज गए हैं, बट अपनी तरीके से लाइफ नहीं जी पा रहे थे. बट here we can live our life as we want. So I want to thanks all to give this opportunity and build our confidence level, communication and computer skills. Thank you so much.
What did you feel doing
What about them?
At least, yeah, or how they learned and all. Just few words.
I guess I wish first
Okay,
ma'am to
ma'am.
speak about this that.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
For me, this is the most peaceful moment I've ever experienced in my life. It's not because we are giving something to somebody after taking from someone. It's because this college, with the organization that I'm associated with for last 30 years, we have been able to reach out to someone and make a difference in their life, because all the good energies, the nature conspired with each other and made it possible. I very strongly feel, being an English teacher basically from my bottom of the heart, language is power. If you have the power of language, no matter what language, whether it's your mother tongue or whether it's your other tongue, which is English, or whether it's some other tongue which is spoken in the state where you are residing in. Once you get the power of language, you are able to open up. And this is the change I've seen going on today. I'm very thankful to my English department, Bravara, Adia, Mariam, and Jennifer, who came forward to say that, ma'am, we will stay back. They come at 7:30 in the morning, and they stay back, and the 2 o'clock is their class, so they would bring the lunch from their home. That wasn't because of the money they were going to earn. That was because they loved what they were going to do. And today I can see, I hope, and I wish they could have been here, but they start their day at 5:30 in the morning in order to come to college at 7:30. And what they have done actually has appealed me a lot. So thanks to Rotary Club, who has generously, without giving a second thought, donated these laptops to Garima Greer. Thanks to our trustees, Yogini ma'am and Madri ma'am, who were very generous to host this whole idea. Otherwise, people generally close their minds on this kind of a project. But they were very open-minded, they supported us, they allowed us to use the infrastructure, expertise, resources. And believe me, Svendu, we have had 3 sessions with different groups where we oriented the non-teaching staff, the support staff, the teachers, the students, that these are our people and we have to support them. And we don't want any kind of malice or any kind of ill statement or a gesture here or there, so that these people who are ours will feel comfortable in this college. And I think we have hit the ball. The last thing I want to end my speech with is, these laptops are going to Garima Greer, and the legacy continues. This batch, I was just talking to Maya that they will have their campus interviews very soon. You all have been skilled, upskilled, reskilled. This legacy has to continue with the next group of community members who join Garima Greer. Our support as Manipal Women's College and the Department of Child Development is always there, and same kind of support we expect from Rotary Club also, who have Bombay Airport, Rotary Club of Bombay Airport, yes, to be very specific, to be with us and to do something which has not been yet much attempted so far by the other clubs, if I know it well. So thank you, and let's replenish, let's refurnish the next set of people who are going to join us. With this commitment, I would just end my speech saying Jai Hind.
No, I would just.
Yeah, please.
First of all, I would just like to thank from our management who has actually allowed us to conduct such a beautiful skill development program, and definitely without Rotary Club of Bombay Airport, it was a distant dream, because just not only taking money, like they were on their toes to know the progress of the students. So every day I used to send them photographs and brief report about what students have done. So it's not that they have just given us the money or the resources and they just step back. No, constantly they were just asking how is the support, how is the group growing, what else is required, what can we do. So definitely that is a huge support from Rotary Club of Bombay Airport. And about this skill development program, one thing I have observed is that spark. Because I also visited Garima-Ghar, I have stayed for 7 to 7 and 8 hours over there, interacting with each of the individual, that what they want to do and what can we continue. And I'm sorry, I'm continuing my speech in English only because I'm assuming now you can understand this. I will not speak.
Now we can understand now.
Wow, that's a great experience. So while interacting with me along Rudra, we went there and we spoke to each and every student over there, and he wanted to know the feedback. And as Ma'am you have said, feedback was amazing. They were just loving our teachers. When we read through the feedback, it was actually tears in our eyes. So ma'am, we have attended this for the first time. We have done it for the first time, and the students coming here and talking. Where we fumble, they were coming here and presenting. So I guess that is the biggest achievement. And I guess this project should not stop. You should become torch bearers for your upcoming batch. So when you are going back, please carry that good name and carry those whatever you have learned in your professional field, so that the other people who are coming over here, they also get benefited. And as ma'am has already mentioned, these laptops will be staying with the Garima brand. Okay, and over there you can access it, and all the records will be maintained by Maya ma'am, as she has mentioned. And you have to upskill because your exams are in December, MSCIT exams are in December. So I want you to get good, not only just for the grades, but good experience with this particular kind of resource which we are getting. Just receive, because it's something new which we are getting. So there is no problem hanging name and assignment submitting, because they were facing a lot of issues in submitting their assignments. Yeah. So when I spoke to them personally, कि मैम होता नहीं, क्लिक करके पता नहीं गायब हो जाता है. And so all those, there were not many technical issues which my team has been able to mention along with the wonderful team of teachers from Department of English and computer teachers. So definitely I am just looking forward to this program to happen for the second batch, and wish you all the success, and thank you so much.
Basically, I just want to thank everybody, starting from the management, Hima and everybody for giving us the support. Rajeshri ma'am and Swati ma'am, I think if it were not for them, I don't think we would have even known about this project, or we would have done anything. And Maya ma'am, of course. So, and we're so happy. I remember the first time when I had seen your faces, and when I see them now, it's so much of a difference. Like I can see that glow and that smile and the confidence and all on your face, and I'm really, really happy to see all of you so happy. And anytime, any given time, if you need any support, please do not hesitate to tell Maya ma'am or Swati ma'am, any one of us, and we will definitely come forward. If you have any difficulty in getting a job, or if you have any difficulty in getting anything, please get back to us. And I'm sure you will really do very well in life, and all the best to you.
Heads off to you people to go through this course. And as she mentioned, we had seen you, I think maybe 5-6 months before. And now what I've seen is a vast difference. I can see all of you so confident, and you have that enthusiasm to learn and go ahead in your life. And I'm sure this skill development is going to help you long way in your life, personally as well as professionally. going to increase the chance of employability. And this is the course, but now you will have to practice and become more, expert in that. Simply with this course, that wherever you go, they will see that how we are able to do the job. So learn well. There are a lot of things on Google will teach you which you are not able to understand. If you go, Google will teach you, go by this path and go through this option. So everything is there on the system. Only you have to take this opportunity. Okay? There are many people who have not done any course, but they learn from Google only because it has got a YouTube clip is there for everything. Even for us, we don't know anything. We ask Google, we learn it. So learning is a continuous process, and I am sure we will continue with that, and we will become, experts and we will.
उन्होंने बोला था कि मैम आपका नाम रोशन करके बताएं। So I guess that is the biggest reward we can have.
Absolutely. Swati, I want to use this platform to request Maya आप सबके सामने के अगर दिन में 1-2 घंटे आप सबके लिए बाय इन टर्न्स लैपटॉप पे अगर आप प्रैक्टिस अपना चालू रखेंगे, जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड है या एक्सेल है, तो जब वो काम पे जाएंगे तो उनके पास वो हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस।
So
आप अपने टाइम टेबल में अगर ये चीज़ भी डाल देंगे सजेशन।
I was just waiting to create a plan. I just thought my ma'am is you before me start saying you share your experience.
तो सबको आपने सुना, जब पहली बार मैं जब आई थी, जब नीना जी, श्रेणी जी और इन लोगों ने आपको फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने माया जी से जब मिली, तब मुझे ये अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि आपके सबके मुंह पे इस तरह की आज खुशी और हंसी होगी। आपको मालूम है ना, सूर्य के आजू बाजू ग्रह होते हैं, मंगल, वीनस सुना है ना, तो अभी बोलते हैं 9 नहीं है 8 है, और प्लूटो बहुत छोटा है, कुछ छोटा नहीं होता है। ऐसा ही आपका है, कोई चीज़ छोटी नहीं थी। रोशनी जो होती है सूर्य की सबको जाती है। ये जो जमीन है, हमारे मामी सासू हैं मणिबेन नानावती, उनका आशीर्वाद है, तो आपको ब्लेसिंग्स मिला है। ये लोग तो इन्होंने, प्रज्ञा जी ने सुना, नीना जी ने ये ले लिया, सुरेंद्र जी ने सब कुछ, सब ने मिलकर पैसे इकट्ठे किए, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी क्या है? हमारा करना, आपका सीखना और आपका आगे बढ़ना, कॉन्फिडेंस। सो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
So first of all, thank you each and every one. It's not because this project has been taken up. The thank is for the thought process. मुझे वो जो सोच होती है ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट होती है, काम अपने आप हो जाता है। तो with this Rotary Bombay Airport, entire team, each and every individual, that day when I came for speak program, everyone there program, like that program, your Nanavati, Mणिबेन Nanavati's management,
रोटेरियन भी, बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट के रोटेरियन भी।
So
I have come
and you have
as a
level.
Rotarian.
So even not only from the management of the college, but even gatekeeper of the college, because the thought process have gone changed in every single individual. Until date, I have not heard from any of the students saying that हमें वहाँ पे discrimination हुआ, हमें वहाँ पे misguide हुआ, misname हुआ, misgender हुआ. This is not, and this is the lovely thing, because that was the first thing we were fearing of. We mentioned that this is something which we have faced in our life again and again. This program is definitely a path-breaking program. It was a pilot, but it's a path-breaking program. A small batch with small numbers, with small effect, but then the effect which has been get, it will have a rippling effect. Years and years, month, at every batch it will see the effect. And there will be more difference in the life of each and every student who is coming from Garima to here. We have even, in fact, widened our wings, not only with Garima itself, because Garima has a very limited numbers. Change, if you have to get in a bigger number. So what we did, now we started doing this program, talking about this program to people who are outside Garima, which we know. and they may interest and they can become part of it. Recently, we have our own training center also. We have launched our batch. So we did online, offline batches. So 15th will be starting it off. And that's more of a career program which we are planning to do it. So we have got across India, we have got very good response because of online it is easy for people to go for. But then, nevertheless, this thing, the infrastructure, the finance, everything, I put it aside for me that what is more important than everything. Okay. And ma'am, with your recommendation, I have, before you telling about this recommendation, I have already mentioned in my mail that what we are doing from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., we are giving this laptop numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Each student have to come, they have to recommend which laptop they want. They will use the login time, log off time, use करने का time or use करके submit करने का time. And weekly will submit to
Yes, very good.
This is what we thought of from our side. This shows that how seriously we take the infrastructure. I understand my previous laptop which we had a problem, and I'm sorry for that because we are not that. We believe in the donated items. We don't have the coppers of that way. If we have a copper of that way, then Rotary would have not come into the picture. Sorry for that, but मतलब पैसे नहीं होते हैं. और उसके लिए हमें जो डोनेशन मिलता है, हमें जो मिला था वेल फर्निश्ड लैपटॉप मिले थे फ्रॉम कंपनी. एंड आई नॉट डिमांड कंपनी कि ये अपडेट करके दो, वो अपडेट करके दो. Even that those laptop updation was done from our own money. Okay. But what best we can give it from our side, we will give them. But then, thanks to both Rotary, Bombay Airport and Nanavati management, that they thought of going beyond lectures, beyond project. At least go for a laptop, so that they don't face problem. Now, very. मैंने बहुत टाइम लेके पता है
नहीं
sorry. So, now the responsibility of Nanavati College Rotary have almost done. Now the ball is under our court now. So taking into this opportunity, I am saying that how we are planning to do a distribution in a very different way. What we are planning to, I just showed you Ma'am and Principal Madam, we are preparing a placement brochure. How any college do a placement brochure, we do a placement brochure. My last year placement brochure was appreciated at the central ministry level and even the collector. So we just thought of taking it ahead, making a new batch, incorporate a placement brochure, and then we will do a placement. So we will do a online, offline, on-campus placement by promising from my side 5 companies will definitely know, which I already worked. आपका जब भी काम चल रहा था मैं अपना होमवर्क पहले कर देती थी.
But even from the Rotary law, companies
Yeah.
like this. So if you tell us, we will involve them.
I will give a placement brochure. I will share it with you so that
we involve them also.
Yeah. So
In fact, I think they will be benefited more because of our, so more than the college, you have to contact Ninaven.
Yeah.
Because you will have a lot of company coming in. Yes, absolutely.
So this is the way, and lastly, thank you all for this, and of course we will do it. As it is an action plan research project, we will want to take it ahead at national, international level, and show the entire world that a small pilot project also makes a big difference in the life of people. Thank you.
Absolutely.
That's what I told you. That's what I told you. And once we go to big map and we decide the date, then we'll all call them on weekly in the Rotary.
You have to see there also the activity.
Yes.
Accordingly, you can.
That's why they take the interview on campus.
So what we are doing recently, we have aptitude test. We have come partner who does the aptitude test. We are talking with them to do it on the CSR file.
Okay.
Okay. So they had their career ready program, a career counseling program through them. one lecture हो गया इनका, सबका बात हो चुकी है. I only think is now I'm going to making that yes, so that I can get the each one get test done, and we can get the result. We can give the report to you that what is the effect of the program and how which person will go for which industry. तो वो हम करने वाले हैं. So that's why I told you now for college and our college.
No, the gain is by everyone. Our college, Rotary,
Yes,
so it's all around thing. It's not just them benefiting each one.
And this field can do viral, in media.
Yeah.
So that, this is a path-setting program. The other people also know.
I'm sure she's done so much. It's
Yeah,
not first time for her.
No, I think for your skill development center, many things
They want to continue.
Yeah, there is
Yes, we
there
want
is
to
nothing
continue.
else want us to do.
because lot of people are interested in going further with this project. So whatever ideas you have, suggestions, and whatever we can.
The only thing is, as you say, the shelter home is temporary. They will go away. So if they get a job, they will have some arrangement. That's what I
Yes, yes.
They will
So-
have
Frankly speaking, IIM talked to one corporate to start India by training company. अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. IIM ने talk with a corporate for working hostel of LGBT.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो इंडिया में कहीं नहीं है और रेंट पे रूम मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. और with identity, it's double the challenge. So I will talk with one of the corporate. I'm telling आपके उनके working hostel नहीं है. Employment के लिए quarters देते हैं. I said them your quarters are empty. No one is using. Because I will renovate it. With fund I will get it. I will renovate and I'll give them their houses. They can stay there. वो बात कर रही है.
एक बात और है सबके लिए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, कि एक बार आप ट्रांसफर करेंगे कॉर्पोरेट हाउस में या बिजनेस हाउस में, उसके बाद भी आपको नए नए स्किल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, राइट? सो इफ यू हैव एनी सच डिमांड्स, वी विल वंस अगेन टाई अप विद आवर मैनेजमेंट, यूनिवर्सिटी में ऑलरेडी देयर एंड रोटरी क्लब ऑफ बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट. और अगर आपको नए स्किल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, ज़रूर पड़ेगी, तब आपको सिखाने के लिए कोई ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं तो प्लीज कम टू अस, बिकॉज वंस यू टेक अप अ जॉब you will be thrown to an open atmosphere where you will have to do troubleshooting at every level.
Competition सबके साथ है. उस टाइम में आप स्पेशल नहीं रहेंगे.
तब
सबके साथ competition. उसमें कुछ डरना नहीं है. But practical मैडम is telling you कि आपको मदद चाहिए तो वो रहेंगे. और
यस एग्जैक्टली. आज खुद मैं भी डिजिटल स्किल्स हर 6 महीने में एक्वायर करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट, आई वाजंट वेल वर्स्ड विद एक्सेल, आई वाजंट वेल वर्स्ड विद टैली, तो जरूरत पड़ती है. अब भी सीख रही हूँ, तो आपको भी सीखना, ऐसे एक मौके ऐसे काम पे पहुँचेंगे जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि ये तो सीखना चाहिए, आगे बढ़ने.
ABCD का A है, Z तक पहुँचना है.
यस.
So just before that, this is a big forward of thanks. So thank you so much, ma'am, especially. I would just request that because they were saying ma'am in the connecting program today. So I would like to thank my management, Arimadi ma'am and Yogini ma'am, who is always a strong backbone for us for conducting any kind of program. And for this program, they were very open. Then Rotary Club of Bombay Airports, Vedu sir, Nini ma'am, Pragya ma'am, and all the entire members who have generously donated not only the money, laptops in every possible way. So thank you so much, Rotary Club of Bombay Airport, and our principal ma'am. Like go ahead, as I said, this is the mantra, which is actually motivating us, the faculty, to do such a good task, and even the English faculty, they were being so motivated because we have been constantly sharing our feedback with ma'am. And Maya ma'am, of course, without you, we will not be able to do this kind of skill development program. And a huge thank you to you, all of you, for coming here and taking advantage of it. And journey is not, you're ending here only. So it's just the beginning. So please see to it that, as Madam has told, whenever you go to the field, you feel anything which we require for our upskilling, please come back to us and definitely we will foresee that. So thank you so much, and thank you my team, Ram, who is on the toes always.